Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, November 10th. Today you are going to be working on multimedia writing. So for multimedia writing, you're going to click on this assignment sheet that goes through and explains what you need to do. Multimedia writing is basically where you are just including pictures, graphs, links in your paragraph. So it says, in the digital age, writing has become more than just words. Newspapers, magazines, and websites increasingly rely on visuals to back up their arguments. These visuals typically have two rules. They add to the emotion of the argument. So for an example, a puppy in a cage during a commercial for the Humane Society, or they add to the logical explanation. So that's like charts, graphs that represent statistics and figures clearly. It's important to think about how you can add visually to your writing to make the strongest persuasive argument. The requirements for your assignment are listed right here. So what you need to do is you should have a written argument with a well-developed paragraph. Use at least two pieces of cited and integrated evidence to support your original claim. So you're going to write another position paragraph. Your topic sentence should clearly lay out your argument and position. Your writing should follow all the rules of academic language. You should follow paragraph format. So you should have your topic sentence, setup, evidence, tie back, set up, evidence, tie back. Follow the same outline that you used for the position paragraph that you did last week. You need to have at least two visuals that should be incorporated into the text of your writing. Don't just put them at the end. Insert them into your paragraph where you think they make the most sense. So think about like in newspapers or magazines how the pictures are incorporated into the paragraph or into the writing, not just slapped on at the end. One of your pictures has to add to the emotional appeal of your argument, and one has to appeal to the logical side of your argument. Then down below there are some directions for embedding visuals. So if you click on go, or if you click on insert and then on image, then you should be able to search the web, and then you'll be able to insert your image and click and drag it where you want to do. If you click at the bottom of the image, it should say positioning, and then click on wrap text. This will give you more flexibility about where you can click and drag your picture to. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, this is going to go into the gradebook. It's worth 20 points in the practice category, and when you're finished, you can put it in whichever Dropbox goes with your class. Have a great day, and let me know what questions you have.